Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm guest designing for Scrapping for Less using their November Flavor of the Month card kit. The theme is Simply Sentimental. So this is the perfect card kit for me since there's only one image that you could color. The rest is all sentiments. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 2 sheets of white cardstock. These are 100 pound and they're all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's a dark gray. There's a sheet of craft. It's really fun bright pink called Razzleberry. There's a mint green. There's orange. It's a real soft orange. And then there's a light pink. This is pink lemonade. So that's all the cardstock that's included in the kit. There are 4 separate collections, so they have different papers and embellishments. This is collection number 1. It's called Puppy Paws. There are 6 sheets of 6x6 double-sided paper, and this is made by Scrapping for Less. So I'm just flipping through these really quickly so you can get an idea of what's included. Here is the stamp set that goes with the paper collection. It's called Puppy Paws. There's the one image of the dog looking over a fence. And then there are 3 different sentiments. So there's congrats, happiness is a warm puppy, and just stay positive. There's a piece of blue and white twine. There's a row of enamel dots in 3 different sizes. And then there's also a bag of sequins. So colors that match nicely with the paper collection. And then with every collection, there is an A2 size envelope in white. So that's collection number 1. Now moving on to collection number 2, this one is called Thanks So Much. I'll flip through the 6 sheets of pattern paper. It's a very different color and design from collection number 1. Some beautiful florals. I love the soft colors in this collection. So pretty. Here is the stamp set that coordinates with the paper collection. It's called Thank You So Much, and it's made by Scrapping for Less. So it has 6 different sentiments, and they're all thank yous. Always good to have extra thank you sentiments on hand. There is a row of enamel dots, and these are by Gina Marie Designs. And then there's also some white organza ribbon. And then also the white A2 size envelope. Now moving on to collection number 3. This one is called Family Ties. And I love the papers in this collection. They're so pretty. So 6 sheets of double-sided papers. I love the bold colors mixed with the grays. So you have the teal, the pink, the yellow, and then lots of different grays. Here is the stamp set. This is called Family Ties. So there's 4 different sentiment stamps included. These are great sentiments about family and friends, and there's also the missing you sentiment. Next, there is a row of enamel dots, and these are also made by Gina Marie Designs. And they have a very soft matte finish. These aren't glossy. And then there are 6 little flowers. So these match really nicely with the paper collection. And then, as always, we have the A2 size envelope. So that's collection number 3. Now on to collection number 4. This one is called Wildflowers, and it's my favorite. I love the designs and the soft colors in this collection. This beautiful peach and greens and very soft blues. So pretty. There are 6 sheets of double-sided 6x6 paper. And the sentiment stamp, there's just 1 in this collection, but it's so pretty. You belong among the wildflowers. And it has 2 little wildflowers next to it. There's a row of enamel dots in 3 different sizes. And then there's also some ephemera for this collection, which is really fun. So there's several different sentiments. There's thinking of you, always my friend. A little butterfly, there's another sentiment, thank you so much. You have congratulations. There's a tag, a couple more butterflies, one surrounded by a circle. There's this large floral image. And then one more sentiment hello with some flowers on top. It's really pretty. And then there is the A2 size envelope. Now that's everything that's included in the double dip price range. If you want to add that one extra pack and buy the banana split option, this is what you'll receive. There's a hearts embossing folder, so lots of hearts in the background in different sizes. There's a whole spool of ribbon. This is a white skinny ribbon. I always like to use this size ribbon on cards since it doesn't add a lot of extra bulk. And then next there is a banner die, and this is made by Scrapping for Less. So it's fairly long. You could do it all the way across the width of the card. Put it on my mat here. So it's about 4 3/4 inches long, and then about 3/4 inches in height. And then there's also a bag of sequins, and these are really pretty. They're all clear and just super sparkly. So that would work with all the collections as well. So that's everything that's included if you purchase the banana split level. Now here's just another look at the Scrapping for Less November 2020 Flavor of the Month card kit. And if you haven't heard the news, Scrapping for Less is closing down at the end of the year. The November kit will be their final kit. They're going to have some mini kits in December, but the November one is the last one. I will have links provided in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this kit. And coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.